know what it is. Gym class heroes. And Dream, it's hard to look innocent when I got cookie crumbs all over my face. You dig?
I like girls, they like me. They look so good and they say, MG, want you to be the one and my only. I wanna be faithful, but I can't keep my hands out the cookie jar.
My hands can't keep my hands. Can't keep my hands. My hands out the cookie jar. You see, I got this problem, I need help trying to solve it. Cause meeting after meeting, and I'm still a cookie hog. You can hide them, I'ma find them on the counter, in the closet. And I'll say I ain't do it with my